Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to walk you through the steps in order to either pause or cancel your Hulu subscription. To get started, head to hulu.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, hover over your user icon on the top right and choose Account. If you're asked again to enter your account password, go ahead and do that here. You will then be on the Manage Your Account page. In the center at the bottom, you'll have a couple of options. The first is to pause your subscription if you know you're going to be back. You can pause your Hulu account for up to 12 weeks by doing this, and the pause will take effect on the next billing date. You won't be able to watch anything while paused, but you'll still be able to log into your account and either resubscribe or cancel. Back on the last page and under Pause, you have Cancel Your Subscription. In here again, it'll ask you if you would rather just pause, or at the bottom you can hit Continue to cancel. On the next page, give a reason for canceling and choose Continue at the bottom again. You may then get an offer from Hulu giving you an additional time for free. You can either then take the offer or at the bottom finalize the cancellation by hitting Cancel Subscription. And that's how you cancel your current Hulu subscription. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.